Now we are going to embroider the lower part of the outer feathers of the owl. The tail is embroidered using regular satin stitches. If necessary, you can refer to the satin stitch video in the basic stitches section. Also use regular satin stitches to fill in the gap. Also use regular satin stitches to fill in the rest of the area of the outer feathers. All the lines are oriented towards the beak. The feathers on the owl's chest are embroidered using back stitches. If necessary, you can refer to the back stitch video in the basic stitches section.